Hi, this is Carrie Metzger of the Vancouver Stampin' Grounds, and today I'm going to teach you how to make a basic, simple Christmas card using our Stampin' Up! My Digital Studio software program. And I'm going to show you how to do a basic designer series one, as well as how to tweak it up a little bit to make it personal. I've already got my software program open and it's asking me what my new project is going to be, so I'm going to go to Cards and Tags and click there. I'm going to make a greeting card today. And then I'm going to make it a 5.5 by 4.25 landscape card. Today I'm going to choose a designer series card, so it's already done for me. And the very first one that comes up for me is one of my favorites, which is the Christmas Jingle Selection. And I'm going to go ahead and say, yeah, that's the card I want. Obviously I've got lots of different options here because I like to buy a lot of those programs, but this is the one we're using today. And click Next. It shows me what's going to print out. And click Next. And we don't have any photos in this card today, so again I'm going to click Next. And then I'm going to call this, well, let's just call it Christmas, can't type today, Christmas tutorial. And I'm going to finish. And as you can see, it's creating my card below. Now, it may confuse you at first to see 4 different pages inside of your Christmas card. This is basically the front page that you see. The second page is right on the back side of that front. So if you were to open up a card, it's the part that's kind of sticking up, and there's the back of this front. And then the third page is actually the part that usually has the greeting on top of it. And then, of course, the fourth is just the back. So we're just basically getting an opportunity to design as much as we want inside of this. We can make it as pretty as we like. I'm pretty happy with this front page. I probably, when it is printed out, will use some of that beautiful new quilted red ribbon from Stampin' Up! In the Holiday Mini Catalog because I love it so much. And I'll probably also pop up real buttons on this just to kind of give it a little bit more dimension to it because I'm kinesthetic. Notice as well that when these print out, they're going to be the actual size of our buttons, so you'll any design elements you want to add in will be perfectly matched inside of that. Okay, if I click on page number 3, I want to go ahead and put a little saying inside here, so I'm going to click on my stamps. I'm going to add a stamp, and I'm going to look up Christmas to see what comes up, and all the stamps that have the word Christmas inside of it are going to come up that I have. And this one right away, the Cardinal Christmas, I love this set. It's so beautiful. And this blessing saying is perfect for what I want. So I'm going to click Apply. Now you won't see anything happen, but I'm going to go ahead and close that, and it has popped up there. I'm going to change the color to match the front, which is chocolate chip. Click on OK there, and then I'm going to diminish this because I don't want it quite that big. That's pretty big. Now instead of trying to figure out where this actually belongs, I'm going to just right-click on it. I'm going to say Align, center it vertically on the page, and then I'm going to say again Align, I'm going to center it horizontally on the page. It'll put it smack dab in the middle for me. Now of course I said I wanted to jazz this up a bit, so I'm going to add a stamp again, and this time I'm going to look for snowflakes. And sure enough, right there, that is a beautiful snowflake that I absolutely want in this project. I'm clicking on Apply here, and I'm closing, and this time I'm going to change my color. I'm going to do something a little bit funny. I'm going to go to Marina Mist, click on OK, and then I'm going to change the opacity to be about 20. So it's just going to be kind of a watermark. I'm going to right click on it and send it all the way to the back just so it doesn't obscure any of my text. And then I'm going to right click again and I'm going to copy it. I'm going to flip over to page 2 now. I'm going to copy and paste it, or paste it rather. And then I'm going to do that again on page 1 and paste it. Just like that. And then again, right click it, and on this one I want to send it to the back. And you can see that I've really jazzed up my Christmas card. I've made it unique to me. And of course, since I did that, I'm going to go to the back page. Oops. I'm going to go to the back page there. Click on Text. Add my text. I'm going to say Created by Carrie. Just so anybody who gets this card knows who made it. And I'm just going to take that down to the bottom, right click it, align it, center it horizontally on the page, and I'm also going to center it inside that box. So you can see that's a super fast and easy card. I hope it helped you out. It gives you some ideas for your own Christmas cards this year. Thanks for watching.